What's up, warriors? Today we're going to go on an adventure and I'm going to share with you how you can copy and paste your way to making profits online. This is literally a thing. It is something you can actually do right now. You don't have to have any technical skills whatsoever. If you are an entrepreneur, go ahead and comment boss in the comment section of this video. And if you're new to internet marketing and you just want to learn how people are making money online, then go ahead and comment boss in the comment section of this video as well. And so what I really want to do today is I want to hop on over the computer and I want to share with you this website that I found that allows you to get these gigs for super cheap, where you can actually flip them. Okay, it's actually a legitimate business and you're providing services for people, but services that you don't have to actually do. There's a website that actually allows you to tap into it at a very, very cheap rate, so you can pretty much go anywhere and flip the profits from this strategy. And it's literally a copy and paste strategy. So what I want to do right now is hop on over the computer and share with you these details. If you're just arriving on this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I drop value bombs every single day. I reveal websites that I have found through my secret networks, and also doing research on my own on how you can make money every single day online using various different tactics. Some of these tactics that I share with you inside of these trainings are things that I've made a great deal of money in, and so take them by heed, all the information I give you. But anyways, that's the reason why I'm saying to go ahead and subscribe. And also here in the next week or so, I'm getting ready to drop an interview with somebody who's made over $1.5 million in the print-on-demand niche. Okay, he's actually selling T-shirts and products that you can basically print on demand. Right, it's the whole concept of it, and it's through e-commerce, Shopify. So I'm going to share with you exactly what he's done, and I also have an interview with that person that I'm going to be sharing with you. So you have to subscribe in order to get that information. So now let's go ahead and hop on over the computer, but I'm going to go ahead and share. Alright, so with this method and this strategy of copy and pasting, you only need two sites in order for this to work, but I have multiple sites that you can use this method on. And so what I'm going to do right now is give you a visualizer, or actually help you visualize exactly how this blueprint works. Okay, and so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to draw this box. And it seems like every time I do a drawing, I always start out with a box. But here's the second box that I'm going to draw. Okay, now here in this first box, okay, and this directly pertaining to this business, I'm going to show you two websites. Okay, one website here, I'm just going to say whatever. This is website number one. And then website number two is where you're actually going to be making the money from. Okay, so I'm just going to draw a dollar sign here, and I have multiple of these types of sites that's going to help you to make money, but this main key is this website that I'm going to show you here next. Okay, because this website allows us to get things at a very cheap price. Okay, and I'm talking about services done, not anything that has to do with drop shipping or anything like that, but services that regularly would be rendered on these other websites, but obviously would be charging more on these other sites. And that's where you're gonna make the money at. Okay, and so let's say that this site 8 right here has a backlinking service for $5, but then when you go on to this site here, it's gonna cost like $50 to do the same exact thing that you found on this other website. And so what we're doing is we're flipping the services. We're not actually rendering the services ourselves, but we're outsourcing the work to other companies that do it for a cheaper price. And so I'm going to show you these two websites just right now. First one is SEO Clerks. Is the #1 website that you're going to want to use in order to get things very cheaply. So the name of the game is to buy low and then sell high. It's just exactly what other people are doing with this method, and it's also helped me to pick up a little side business at the same time. So what you're going to see here is a marketplace, okay, and there's other vendors, there's people who actually render these services, and they're charging, you know, whatever amount for their services, right? But this company does it, and they're very cheap with the prices here. So there's another website I'm getting ready to share with you that it's nearly the prices are nearly double what the prices are on this website. And so what I figured out is that by using this website and other websites which allow you to offer services, allows me to capitalize on this exact method. So if I give you a demonstration here, if I type in SEO backlinks, and I hit search, it's going to bring up these listings here. See, this has 1,477 thumbs up, and it says I will manually do 40, you know, blah 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 blah. So like, I don't know the whole SEO lingo or whatever, but it's giving you an example and it's showing you the prices here. But if you go onto this site right here and you go and type in SEO backlinks and then see what the prices are, it's significantly higher. Okay, $50 here, $100 here, even $10 here, $200 here. You know, these gigs are tremendous, and this is where you're making your money here. So your job is to go ahead and become a seller of Fiverr, and that doesn't necessarily have to just be Fiverr, but it could be any other website that sells services just like this and has the prices up, you know, significantly high, or you know, around the same range as Fiverr here. Okay, with these gigs. And so your whole idea is to become a seller on here, and then just go ahead and order your services through this provider in order to make money here without actually rendering the services yourself. All right, and you can just use them as like your company. This is like your back-end resource that you use in order to flip money. So you can, that's a way that you can copy and paste literally everything on over to, you know, to Fiverr, and you have another, you know, you obviously use this site to render the services. And so that's what you could do, and it doesn't have to be with just this niche. I definitely would stay away from selling views, like YouTube views, because you know, YouTube's really cracked down on doing those types of things, and so you want to stay away from that. People get their Fiverr accounts shut down left and right because of doing YouTube views, so it's just not a good look. So focus on other services besides YouTube views. Okay, so there's several different types here, and you can go through this website and, you know, you can find more gigs and see if, you know, whatever, you know, obviously if it fit with whatever it is that you're looking to sell, and then just go from there. So that's basically the whole strategy. Is not like rocket science here. We're just buying low and selling high. And we found websites like Fiverr. Also, you can go to Upwork.com and you can list your services here, and obviously you can work out a price point with the people who will be bidding on, you know, work that you can do with them. So with that being said, folks, that's how you flip money. Buy low, sell high. Anyways, with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I come out with more tutorials in depth showing you different ways of making money online.